Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Airtel account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Open the Airtel app. Download and install the Airtel app from your device's App Store if you haven't already. Open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account or Profile section in the app. This is usually found in the menu or settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find Security Settings. In the Account Settings, locate the Security or Privacy options. This section will contain various security features, including the option for two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the Airtel.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Verify your information. After entering your contact information, you will receive a verification code via SMS or email. Enter this code in the app to confirm and activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Airtel account, enhancing your security. Remember to keep your contact information updated to ensure you can always receive verification codes.